Hey there, everybody. Thomas Will with Basecamp Trading. It is Wednesday, July 5th, and we are back after being out on vacation for the past week or so. And today we're going to continue on with the price action trading series here on YouTube, and we're going to take a look at natural gas and a setup from this morning's trading room. Now, full disclosure here, I did not take this trade, okay? I was not trading nat gas. I don't trade nat gas very often. That's why I didn't trade it. Also, I normally take a couple days to get back into the swing of things after taking time off before I start really placing trades again and looking for actually getting into and establishing positions. Now, that being said, there were a few people in the room that did take it because, again, it was one of the things we talked about in our morning market recap first thing in the morning in the trading room. Now, that was a micro trend breakdown on the 120-minute price chart. And what we were looking at is nat gas was overall trending lower. We had lower highs, lower lows, according to the definition of a trend. And then we had these three pivots here right in a row. And those three pivots, when we broke those, or with those three pivots, we could draw a trend line connecting those three lows right to each other. And when we break that, that's what we call it triggering. Okay, so there's a setup, which is when we have the pivots and we draw a trend line, the market's sitting here like this. We go, okay, we have a potential setup. If it breaks this trend line, that will trigger the trade. And then we come down and we triggered by breaking the trend line, and then we accelerated lower quite a bit. Now, obviously, you don't always get this big of a move, but there are a couple things you can look for to help you with identifying where these larger moves are going to take place. One of the number one things is momentum. Look what your momentum is. Number two, look at the trend. Are you trading in the direction of the trend? And then number three is take a look at how many times support or resistance has been tested. If you have a level that's been tested more than 2 times, so 3, 4, 5 times, that has a higher probability of moving further when it triggers, or if and when it triggers. So keep an eye on that as well. So that's all I have for you for today. I'll see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe and happy trading.